Hello everybody, once again welcome back to Tech and Crypto's YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign into your Bing account. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have downloaded the Bing AI, and once you open it you'll be able to see the interface on in the screen where you can see the profile icon at the top top left corner. Just tap over there and now you can see the tap to sign in option at the top of this section, so you need to click on that option. And now you can see my account over here, and if you don't have any account then you can simply click on add account and you can log into your Microsoft account. And once you verify yourself you'll be able to log in successfully. And if you already have an account on the screen, then you can click on the sign in at the bottom right corner. So once you tap over there you'll be able to sign in successfully. So basically this is how you can sign into your Bing account. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.